All right, come with me. I can't wait to show you this peaceful Maine getaway. We're right here in the quiet countryside near Exeter, surrounded by over 70 acres of rolling land. And let me tell you, the setting is absolutely beautiful. You've got open fields, wooded trails, and that classic Maine charm everywhere you look. As we pull up, you can already feel the calm. It's that kind of property where time slows down a bit. You hear the wind in the trees, maybe a few birds, and you realize this is what country living is all about. Now, stepping inside, the home has such a welcoming, down-to-earth feel. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home with a cozy, traditional layout. You can tell it's been loved, the kind of place that just feels like home the moment you walk in. The kitchen's got that warm, rustic touch, perfect for slow mornings with a cup of coffee, and the living spaces are open enough to gather family or friends without losing that cozy vibe. But honestly, what really steals the show is the land. 70 acres gives you room for anything you can dream up. Maybe start a hobby farm, plant a huge garden, or just have wide open space to explore. There are trails running through the woods, perfect for hiking, snowmobiling, or even hunting in the fall. And the best part? You get all this peace and privacy, but you're still just a short drive from town. Groceries, schools, and local spots are all close by, so you get the best of both worlds. Quiet country living without being too far from convenience. If you've been dreaming about your own little slice of Maine, a property where you can breathe, stretch out, and enjoy life at your own pace, this one's definitely worth seeing. So imagine it, crisp Maine mornings, open land all around you, and a place that feels like home from day one. This is what living in Maine is all about. N.